of Tharisa, viva! Viva! Viva employees of Tharisa, viva! Viva! Viva employees of Section 197, viva! Viva! Viva employees of 197, viva! Viva! Ngokudliwa kwey'mali zabasebenzi phansi. Phansi ngokuxhashazwa kwabasebenzi from MCC to Tharisa phansi. Phansi ngokuxhashazwa kwabasebenzi from MCC to Tharisa phansi. Phansi ngama-management angafuni ukhokha iy'mali zabantu phansi. Phansi wethu. All power. All power. All power. Zidla mkhonto sidla. Zidla mkhonto sidla. Zidla mkhonto sidla. Umkhonto wagwaza, umkhonto wagwaza. Wagwaza 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 umkhonto comrades, siyabonga isiphelo sethu esiqala ngaso. Good day too. We are not here to destroy anything, right? Yes. But we just changed the place. We just changed the place. Akukho kushintshile, but we just changed the place. Abe bekade ngale bekade ufefe sebeyabuya bezana. Kuthu bayaphuma ofefeni. Sebezogada abantu ngoba babeqashelwe lokho. Ukuthi bazogada abantu hayi ufefe. Imali yabenkulu kangaka abayisebenzisile. Ukuthi bazogada thina. Buka ke manje ihleli yodwa imali nabo thina saphe sathola indawo enhle ke ngapha ezabe nebhodi lika Tharisa besingenayo. Umzabana nje ngeke kuqede uma uthi uyayivala le ngofefe imali futhi so bazobeqeda imali nje bona thina siqhubeke ukuthi we cannot allow ukuthi abantu bakwa Tharisa bazoxhaphaza thina njengama employees aka Tharisa because thina sisuke ngo section 197 othalukho ushintsho efanele leziwe iTharisa ngabantu baka MCC waphinda uTharisa wazoqasha abantu sebaqasha sekukhona abantu baka MCC wazobaqasha ngasemrate abaqashe ngayo bani uMCC so kusho ukuthi labo bantu bayaqualifya nabo kuba ingxenye yezivumelwano zani zo MCC ngoba uma beza ngapha ngeke abangapha bahole kancane uMCC uhole kakhulu akithi so na kumele ukuthi masifika ngapha kusuke nalabo bebehola kancane beze kubani uMCC kuzohola imali eyodwa akithi uma ke kuthiwa kuyaxoxwa axoxelwe ukuya phezulu ngoba kube kwasuka abantu ka MCC besuka befika abantu baka Tharisa behola kakhulu kwakufanele benze njani nabo bahole kakhulu so that is the law. We are talking the law here. We are not talking about iphakethe lika Tharisa ukuthi whom he wants to pay and whom he wants to rob. We understand. So the thing is, the requirement there is nothing that is going to change from Tharisa. Whatever agreement ezobakhona kwa Tharisa or collective agreement that will be part of ama unions or AMCU, NENOM. In fact, they was not even supposed to talk about ama MCC requirements because they've already done that on the dust, buried, and no one will just rise from the dust. The dust was, there is nothing that will be changed. Then that's where we are today. So if they can't provide us with answers as to why they've changed the contract. Because that was the contract of employment of people from MCC that they've signed, that they are going to pay so much for their employers. If now you are buying the company, that means now you are buying even the contract of employment of that company. You understand? So you can't buy the company and you change in working conditions. You can't do that. And you can't do that alone. You understand? So the consultation was not proper. That's why we are out here. And we want our money. That's what we want. It must be simple to everybody. That is the reason why we are here today. It's about the money. And that money, CIS, that money comes from MCC. That money comes from the same year where Teresa was employing people with the same rate of MCC. Right? So that's what we need. Just that. Comrade, just that. If they manage that rate, we will be complaining that we need the money to be increased, and it. Hey, that should be our worry by now. Not robbing us and take our money into your own coffers and try to manipulate us with other benefits of which are not real. Actually.
Yes.
You understand? You are trying to cover your tracks for robbing us. You understand? So now the narrative that we've got yesterday was that the people, these people are saying they made favor for you. That's what they've said yesterday.
Yeah.
Actually, we made favor for these people who are causing trouble now. Because the MCC was to close, was to retrench.
But in fact, we were retrenched.
So now, why you became a scapegoat of which you are not entitled to do that? Why you didn't let the MCC to deal with its own problems? Why you didn't let the MCC to deal with his own problems? Once he finalizes the problems, then you start now to go to MCC. That those workers, let them come here so that I can employ them afresh. Why you didn't do that? There's no answer for that. You understand? Because on the retrenchment side as well, you have to get your severance pay, your notice pay, your pension fund. So you didn't all get that because of them. You understand? So now why now they are starting now to teach us something that we didn't ask? Have we asked them to take us from MCC? No. So they mustn't make it our problems. Problem is not our problem, it's their problem. They must keep it. What we want is the money. If they want to put us on retrenchment because MCC failed to do that, they must do that. Yes. If they want to put us on retrenchment for that, they must do that. But because they are late, they have to give us our money. And we are prepared to go to whatever retrenchment. Yeah, but we are prepared to go to any retrenchment. And I want to say, comrades, if these people are continuing to do this, you understand? Our settlement will be not less than 500,000. And the surplus of 500,000 will be saying is our employment. We engage it for our employment.
Yes.
If you don't take that surplus of above 500 as our employment, then we want all our money. And that will be our, we want all our money and leave you with peace. You understand? Because we cannot allow the people who are robbing us and become a champion of telling us how are we going to react if they do this and that. No, no, we want our money and we want our money now. You understand? Now, that is our settlement. Agree to my comrade? Yes. Even if we go to engage, we engage on the settlement. Yes. That calculate if it's above 500,000, because what we've calculated is above 500,000. Now, if you calculate on your own terms, go and calculate. And then after calculation, if you find that is above 500,000 to close to 1 million, no, that other above is our engagement. That the above, that above is our pledge to our employment. If you don't employ us with that, then they give us all. And remember, this money has got an increase as well. Yes. Because it was not in our account. Yes. It was on your account. Yes. So this is another thing that you must remember. You understand? You must remember that the money is not our account. So now when it's pound to pound, you don't want to compromise. Then we are saying we want it including the increase. So you know what to do. So that is our settlement. Get right, my comrade? Whoever that is going to discuss must discuss on those bases. Whoever, even if it's advocate, he must discuss on those bases that we want. Our settlement is even if they want us to type it, we will type it. You understand? We will type it and say this is our settlement. Even in court, we must present it. That what we said to them is that we need not all the money. It's too much for us. We can't even manage it. What we can manage is 500 each. That is our settlement. Not because you don't owe us more, but it's our settlement. And the rest of the money we are engaging on the contract of employment. That you employ us and not even try to retrench us on the way. We are signing with you 10 years. That is our retrenchment. That is our agreement with the rest. Our agreement with the rest is say, okay, let's sign with you 10 years. See now. Sebenza now. Sebenza now. And two, uma kukuthi awufuni lokho. That money now should involve the interest. You understand? We want that money with an interest. So that now we are just done with you. You don't even need to write us a dismissal letters. We can't contest them in any space of the law. So we are done with it. Yeah, my comrade. Akithi my comrade, into ebalulekile ukuthi nathi any settlement asiqoqe nathi. Singathi soqoqa ngoba sesisetafuleni. Etafuleni aso nje abasebenzi bathi not less than 5. Bese bethi lapha phezulu mawubala calculate wena. Thina sinakho nakho. When I calculate, we are giving you another chance to calculate and see if we are wrong with our calculation. But the settlement that we have, that is final, not discussed.